My problem is about how to save. But the good news is that there's always a way out to come out of that. First, pay yourself first. Anytime money comes into your hand, set a portion aside for yourself. Before you pay the bills, you do other stuff, make sure that a portion of that money is kept aside for yourself. You can use the 70-20-10 rule, which says that spend 70% of your earning on essentials like your food, your bills, and your daily upkeep, and save 20% for investment. Anytime you get money, make sure that 20% of that money is saved for investment. Savings is different from investment. You save the money for different reasons, but investment is what? Setting money aside for what? Future ending. But savings can be to save for emergencies, save for rainy days, but make sure that you save at least, even if it's 5%, save it aside and be consistent with it and invest it for your future so that you will be able to do much with it. And the 10%, if you are somebody, give it to charity, or you can use that 5% for personal development. You use it to attend seminars, read books, do a lot. You can use that 10% or even 5% for your personal development, which is key and which is to build yourself for the future. The other one is separate your savings. Make sure that you have a different account and automate it. Anytime money comes, you make sure that a portion is set in that account, because if the money is in your normal account, it will be difficult for you to be able to save, take the money and save. So when you separate your savings and automate it, always, all the time, your money is in that account, and it will be difficult for you to take that money from that account, because your target is to save and what? Invest. And the other one is what? Reduce your expenses. Make sure that all the things that are taking your money, track them. Like if you have monthly subscription, when you are someone who is fan of buying new things when you don't actually need them, you try not to what? Increase your lifestyle. Make sure that you reduce your what? Expenses, and increase your what? Your earning. When you are doing that, you can get a lot of money to save. But if you increase your lifestyle, all your money will be going into what? Your expenses, your lifestyle, which will not help you, and you will not be able to set money aside for what? For investment, or you will not be able to save. The other thing is that you have to find way to make more money. You have to get different source of what? Income. Don't rely on one source of income. You have to monetize your knowledge. You monetize your skills. Whatever that you are doing, you have to get extra income. So when you get extra income and all the time money is coming into your account, you can now take portion and save. Make sure that you are not relying on one source of income. Have multiple streams of income. Don't rely on one source of income. With this, you'll be able to save a lot of money and invest, and it will help you to have a better future, and financial freedom is non-negotiable when you are able to do all these things. Thank you.